Hello and welcome to Loud Creations. Today I am just doing a quick tasting. I wanted to open up a bottle of mead and I grabbed my orange Lingonberry mead and that I made back in May. So this is 6 months old, a little over 6 months old actually. Here's the bottle. If you want to see how I made this, the link is right here. So yeah, I'll give a little background on this. I just randomly made it. So on the fly, I used 3 oranges, some of the zest and the juice. And then I did use 1 cup of dried lingonberries in primary, 71B yeast, 3 pounds of honey, black tea bag, did the Go Firm and the step feeding and all of that. I'm looking at my computer here because I have notes. I have a tracking spreadsheet, which if I used it consistently would be amazing. What was I even talking about? Okay, so, and then I also added another cup of dried lingonberries to secondary, along with 6 oak cubes, French oak, I believe. I don't remember how long I left that in there. I probably would say under a month. So I did oak this. Be interesting. And let me go back to my summary tab here. I have information in more than one tab. So where'd it go? Orange Lingonberry. Okay. So when I racked it for a second time, I added 1 cup of orange juice and 2 to 3 ounces of honey to back sweeten it. Then I pasteurized this. And I have not tasted it. Well, no, yes, I drank a bottle of this and it was really good a couple of months ago. So we'll see if anything's changed. Okay, so not a full glass, just a little sip. It's a little hazy. I didn't use pectinase or anything like that in here, or I could have gotten a bottle that has more of the dregs in it. I don't know. But it's fairly clear. It's not the greatest clarity-wise. Beautiful color. It's almost like a peach color. I don't know if it's coming across in the video, but it's like a peach color, which is nice. Oh, it definitely smells like orange. Smells like, yeah, it smells like orange. There's another smell to it, almost just like regular red wine, almost. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take a sip and see how this turned out. Well, I can definitely tell that I oaked it a little bit. That gives it that nice round flavor. This is a little tart. I'm gonna be honest. It's not as good as I had hoped it would be. I think, actually, I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab a little honey and add it to this and see if that makes a difference. Okay, so I have some honey here. I'm just gonna add a drip to this. It just tastes, it's smooth going down as is, but it almost seems a little flat on the flavor. I can taste the tartness of the orange and the lingonberries, but I think it definitely needs a little bit more honey. Okay, that's like, I don't know, not even half a teaspoon of honey. I mean, there's not very much in here. It was just a drip. I'm gonna take my little spoon and stir it up. See if this makes a difference. I might have put too much in which case I'll have to have another little glass. But I was hoping to open this one for the holiday season coming up. All right. Okay, so the honey's mostly in there. better. I'm going to stir it a little better. I can tell there's... Okay. Put a little bit more in there. Okay. That's seriously like a tiny, tiny drip. Maybe a 1/4 of a teaspoon. Well, now it's definitely not clear. Okay, so this is with honey added and mostly mixed in. That's what I needed to do. So I think this one, just because of, I don't know, the lingonberries and the orange, to kind of counter that tartness, we definitely needed to be back sweetened more. So if I had to do this over again, I would add more honey before I pasteurize. But I mean, it's easy enough to add honey when you're drinking it, but it is nice to open a bottle and just be able to drink it without doing anything to it. But yeah, it's pretty darn tasty. I like the oak in my other lingonberry mead that I had made. I'm on the fence with this one. I don't know if the flavor is blending very well. Another thing that might taste good with this is just a little bit of vanilla. So there it is. Orange lingonberry mead, 6 months in. I would say it's not terrible as is. It's good with more honey. If I had to make it again, I would probably make a few adjustments, but yeah, there it is. I hope this video is useful somehow, and I will see you next time. Thank you.